Okay, guys, lesson 3.9. We're just going to get a little more in-depth with these two-column proofs. So writing two-column proofs too. I'm just going to do two examples to show you the new things that will come up today on your problems, okay? So let's look at this situation. Got two parallel lines, and then we've got these two triangles like this. Okay, and let's label this A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and like normal, you'd be given certain things. Let's say you're just given these things. AB is parallel to DE. Okay, and then also we're going to say that BC is congruent to DC. Okay, that's all it's given. Let's write a two-column proof. We're trying to prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other with this given information. That's the point of all this. We had statement and reason. Put your givens in first. That's the first step always. And as you put them in here, mark them in your picture. Okay, remember parallel we mark with this. Doesn't mean they're equal, just means doesn't mean they're congruent, they're parallel. BC and DC are congruent. Okay, that we mark with the congruence like that. Okay, so that's what we have to work with. And we're trying to figure out the next step. So far I have one congruence, which is a side, so I need more sides and angles. You may notice the vertical angles. ACB, angle ACB, and angle ECD. That would be vertical angles. That's how I knew they were congruent. Mark that in the picture. Okay, I've got a side, I've got an angle. This is not a congruence. I don't count that as a congruence. So far, I've just got side and angle. What I'm going to do is say, okay, since I have these parallel lines, I've actually got these two equal. And the reason is going to be alternate interiors. Okay, if I have parallel lines, I have these alternate interior angles that are equal. I could have also done this pair of alternate interiors here and here. I kind of had a choice there which one I wanted to do. But hopefully you see that if I kind of extend this out and draw this line through, that this is a pair of alternate interior angles. Maybe turn it sideways. I don't know if that helps you see it. Going back to the last chapter there, alternate interiors. Okay, so you can just say in this case, since these were like corners, you can just say angle B and angle D are congruent. The reason is alternate interior angles. Okay, here's the key. I can only say alternate interior angles if I had parallel lines given at the beginning. Okay, because they're only equal if lines are parallel. All right, so now I've got a side equal, I've got an angle, I've got an angle. Looks like I probably got enough information to, excuse me, to end it. So I'm gonna say triangle ABC, I know is congruent to triangle, match up the letters. ABC goes with EDC. And look at the reason. I've got angle, side, angle, right? And over here, same angle, side, angle. Side is between the two angles, directly between them. Okay, side is directly between two angles. They're matching up. ASA. Okay. Let me show you one other that you're going to run into, something like this. Excuse me. Let's say this is all you're given, two things. B is the midpoint. Of segment AC. You can run into this midpoint scenario. And then let's just say AD is congruent to CD. Okay, just given those things, is that enough information? Let's see if we can write a proof. you know, if you can plan out your proof ahead of time, it makes it a little easier. This is what I'm thinking. Okay, these are equal. Since B is the midpoint, that's actually going to tell me these two are equal. And then I've got this shared side here. So I think we're looking at SSS. So if you know where you're headed, that obviously helps you write your proof out. This doesn't seem so random. Put your givens in. B is you can say MP for midpoint of segment AC. Don't mark anything yet because I didn't write a congruence yet. I don't mark that yet. Given. AD is congruent to CD. I'll mark that because that's a congruence. You know what I'm saying? If you have a congruent sign here, that's when you mark it up here. Okay, now what else? Now you can start doing your reasoning. I know that AB is congruent to CB. How do I, excuse me, how do I know that? It goes back to this because I was told there was a midpoint. Okay, so the reason I know that this and this are equal is because B is the midpoint. Because they told me that, okay? If they didn't tell me that B was the midpoint, I wouldn't know this. So, but because this is here, now I can use that as a reason down here. Hopefully that makes sense. So this is B is the midpoint of AC. I've got this shared side. Remember we just said BD is congruent to BD. That's that reflexive property. You could also say shared side, but on the Delta Math, I think they use reflexive property. And I think that's it. Okay, mark that one, triple mark it. We're looking at side, side, side. Okay, so triangle, ABD, match it up, CBD, and we're looking at SSS. Okay, so just a few extra things there with the midpoint stuff and the alternate interior angles today. All right, good luck.